This is Mike Lingle from Rocket Pro Forma, and today we're going to talk about marketplace business models. So let's take a look at something like eBay, for example. And when you're starting this business, the first thing you need to do is create some kind of software. So you code a beta version of the software. Then you need to acquire enough sellers that your marketplace becomes attractive. This is typically the way the marketplaces are started. So you pay money to acquire sellers. And then once you have enough sellers, you can acquire the buyers. Again, in a two-sided marketplace, you need both sellers and buyers. So on eBay, there are people selling goods versus people buying them. For Uber, which is a marketplace, you have drivers and riders. And then you can make a sale. Once you have enough sellers and buyers, you can actually do your first transaction. And then you need to code new versions of the software. So we're spending cash to code the beta. We're spending cash to acquire the sellers. We're spending cash to acquire the buyers. We're making cash when we finally have a transaction. And then we're spending cash to code the new version. So this takes cash up front in order to start this business model. Or, if you were figuring out a way to growth hack it and you were willing to cover the cost or the time of coding, you could do this without spending cash, but it's still expensive because you're still working on this instead of having a day job. So finally, when we make a sale, we get some cash in, we reduce some of the cash burden that we're carrying, but then we spend money coding a new version. So the way this flywheel works, the on-ramp is coding the beta and acquiring the sellers. Then we can acquire the buyers and we get into our flywheel. We make a sale, we code the new version, we acquire sellers, we acquire buyers, we make more sales, and this business grows and expands over time. So that's the way the cash flow works for a marketplace business. This is Mike Lingle from Rocket Pro Forma. This has been Marketplace Business Models. Please visit the website at rocketproforma.com. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel.